Today we're going to learn AutoCAD Basic 3D. Okay, ito na yon yung footing. Okay, so we have here PL. PL for polyline. Gagawa tayo ng footing. Footing, we have footing that measures 1.2 meters. Okay, ganyan lang siya kaliit sa ano. And then one point, it's a square. Let's make it a square. Okay. And here it is. This is the isometric window. And this is the top view. Okay. And then I will offset. Offset ng 0.4. This is just an example. So that's it. And then extrude. Extrude to make it 3D. So EXT, that's the abbreviation of extrude, EXT. And then top the object you want to extrude. Here I want to extrude first the column. This is the column in the middle, and enter or backspace, and I will make it 3 meters. That's it. And then again, I'll just tap the backspace again, and then select the objects to extrude. This one, the footing, and then backspace, and type the thickness of the footing, and I'll make it 0.3. This is just an example, of course. So 0.3, that's it. So that's the extrude, basic 3D extrude. Okay, so that's it, our example. And then another one, I'll show you again another example first, and I will set up the as front view. Okay, this is a front view, and this is isometric parent. So here it is for our window. We can just have our example for 1.2, or let's say we have 4 meters wall by 3 meters. So this is our wall. Where is our window? And there we have this. And we can just turn, no. Then let's have a window here at 0.9. We have a window here. It's 0.8 by 1.2 by 1.6. So this is our window. And our wall thickness is, we have to extrude both of them, okay, by 0.15. Let's say 0.15. That's it. And now I will teach you how to, okay, as you can see, this is the window, but there's no opening. I'll teach you how to make an opening for our 3D. So you just have to type SU for subtract, then backspace, and then select the object, okay, the wall, and then backspace, this window that we are going to subtract, backspace. Okay, as you can see, we now have a window opening. Right, that is so easy. All right, okay. I hope you learn again. What else? Okay, I will teach you again another example. We have here a line. Okay, I will just join them, and then I will do again the center R 4.2. All right, and then type sweep, then the object to sweep. This is the object you have to sweep. And then backspace, select sweep path. O, ito yung path na dadaanan ng pag-sweep mo. So that's what happened. Okay. So you can use this sweep command for railings, right? So that's it. And thank you so much.